Are you still dependent on the single income or you putting all your money in the bank FD? Invest in a super utility real estate, a commercial project by VJ developer and start getting second source of rental income. My name is Raj Kevlani and let me introduce our new project Super Utility Real Estate, a commercial project in Wakad by VJ. Let me share you success story first. VJ have successfully sold 950 units of super utility real estate in pandemic at 3 prime locations in Pune. First in Hinjewadi phase 1, second in Hinjewadi phase 2, third in Wakad near upcoming Phoenix Mall. Now VJ is launching fourth project of super utility real estate because of high demand in market. This location comes under Wakad PCMC behind Indira College near Indira School. This location is surrounded by major malls, schools, colleges, hospitals, hotels, IT park. Proposed World Trade Center and Eon IT Park is just stone throw away distance. Nearby area like Hinjewadi, Wakad, Tathavade, Baner, Balewadi High Street, Aund, Metro Station, Mumbai-Pune Expressway, it's just 2 to 6 km from this town center project. VJ Town Center is 14-story tall commercial building which is road touch. Ground and first floor will be high street retail. Second floor to 14th floor will be co-living SURE units. Each floor has 4 high-speed elevator, 2 staircase and 34 SURE units. Each unit size is 185 square feet carpet area and 275 square feet sellable area. It's similar to a hotel room. One can easily accommodate 2 beds, side tables, platform for tea, coffee, kettle, study tables, wardrobe spaces and separate washroom. This building is designed with the modern facilities like infrastructure, parking, high-speed elevators, firefighting systems, AC, Wi-Fi. This investment is pocket friendly, which comes at very low ticket price, which is 25.95 lakh. There will be assured monthly rental through a reputed operator known as Stanza Living. There will be guaranteed 3 times better return than any residential project, which is more than 6% returns. Limited number of units make this investment exclusive. Wakad is home to students, young professional and digital nomads. Pre-lease property with 15% rent increment after every 3 years make this investment very attractive. The secret element is there is no extra expense like no maintenance, no electricity and water charges, no tenant headache. Stanza operator takes care of your property. VJ have introduced finance option which makes this property easy to own through HDFC commercial loan. Quick sanction of commercial loan at lower interest rate is easily possible. Stanza has a tie-up with IT companies, colleges, airline company staff to provide not only accommodation to their employees and students but facilitate 3-time meals, Wi-Fi services, laundry, housekeeping and all. VJ Town Center Wakad pricing is 25.95 all inclusive with 70-30 scheme. 70% commercial loan through HDFC can be done and 30% owner contribution to be paid before 31st of December 2020. In this price you can also get no pre-EMI till possession offer wherein VJ will reimburse your interest portion only at 7.25% interest rate. You will also get rent of 11,925 rupees per month from Stanza Living operator. After every 3 years, your rent will be increased by 15%. Rent will be provided by Stanza Living for 10 years from possession date, which is June 2023. If you are not taking loan, then you can pay 50% down payment and get the same unit at price of 23.95 lakh all inclusive. Balance 50% to be paid as per construction schedule. Rent will be 11,925 rupees per month. Rent will increase by 15% after every 3 years. Return on investment in this scheme is 6%, which is more than any traditional bank FD. If you are seriously looking for high returns, then invest in VJ Town Center Super Utility Real Estate because runway is short and deal is very hot. This price is valid till 30th November Post that, the new price will be 27 lakh without any offer.